How to translate text in Excel into multiple languages in seconds. Let's say that you have this paragraph in Excel and you want to translate to another language, for example Spanish. Well, to do this, you don't have to go to Google Translate. You could just click on a blank cell and then type the language that you want to translate your values. So I'll do Spanish, press enter, and then in another blank cell you can use the function equals i.translate, like so. Type in open parentheses, and then for the first argument value you'll select the text, then type another comma, and then for the language you'll select the cell that contains your language. So that would be Spanish over here, close it off, and then press enter. And once you do that, Excel will automatically translate your text for you. And since this is a dynamic formula, you can go ahead and change the language. For example, I can go ahead and change it to French, press enter, and it will automatically translate it to French. You can also do other languages like Chinese, press enter, it goes Chinese. You can type Hindi, press enter, and so on. You can even create a drop-down list with languages here if you'd like to.